BZH here from BigZachsHouse. Tonight we're going to be doing a review of the LEGO Star Wars set number 75311, the Imperial Armored Marauder. Now this is a set from the Mandalorian Season 2 on Disney+. I'm going to go over the box art, the build itself, playability, we'll go over the minifigures, and then we'll let you guys know if I think this is a must-buy. So thank you guys for watching. Please remember I'm going to have a link in the description as well as the pinned comments. If you're interested in buying this set, please, if you wouldn't mind, use my Amazon affiliate link to help support the channel. Right now my channel is not monetized, so this using my link goes a long way with supporting the channel. So thank you guys for watching, and without further ado, let's begin the review. First part of our review, as mentioned, is going to be a review of the box itself. Front of the box here has the Mandalorian box art here. It shows you the 4 minifigures here: Grief Karga, Artillery Stormtrooper, Stormtrooper, and Stormtrooper. This picture of the build: 478 pieces, set number 75311, 8+. Real nice box art, just going around the side, standard box art on the side there. The back here shows you just a little bit of the view from the scene in the TV show. Shows you how you can actually fit stormtroopers and different figures inside the set. So this is definitely a minifigure play scale set. I usually like to stick all my minifigures in the actual set, or like put them on top so I don't lose them, or I know what goes with which. It shows you how all the different doors that can open, as well as the blasters here. We'll look at the other side here. This little picture here with Grief Karga on there. This side here has a picture, as always, actual size, dimension of the minifigure, so it would match up there. Let's go over bottom here. Nothing special, barcode, blah, blah, blah. So now we'll move on to the next part of the review. Just taking a look at the manual here. So here, it does kind of bother me a little bit when LEGO sends these and they're a little bent up. I feel like they should be put a little bit more care on them, especially when you use them. You can scan the barcode, and all these manuals are digitized now, so you can just do it right on like a tablet or whatever. With 4 bags in the set, no stickers, shows you what's going on here. And then at the back of the book, obviously, the piece count, and it shows you all the different sets that came out with this wave. So we'll be having reviews of all these as well. It's got to pick these up. Some of them just were released, so we're picking all those up as well. Here's another better picture. We do have Slave 1 here. We don't have this one yet. Obviously a Baby Yoda, and this one, I have this set as well. So we'll be doing a review of all these sets. Small book here. It's, total is 127 steps. Goes the whole way through. So, nothing too special, just standard, typical instruction manual here. And then going over the build next here. For me, I'm gonna say we'll go over this build next. I think that the big part of the set is the figures, but we're gonna go over the build here first. So really nice build. No wheels or anything on the bottom here, just these flat black pieces here. You can kind of move it along. Going over some of the play functions here. This does turn back and forth. Does have your blasters here. This set goes back and forth on each side. And you can open up all the different doors here. So there's a door here to open up. There is another door up here. Let's forget, right there. And then obviously the door opens up again on this side. This piece opens up. This little box comes out of here. We put that in there. Same thing with the other side. So some of it is a little monotonous, kind of the same build on each side, but that's all right. And then you have your blaster here. Pretty neat. And you use this guy right here to pull up another little door here. So plenty of room here on the inside. You got your seats in there. So I will definitely be putting all the minifigures in there. I'll just see this. Just drops right back in there. Then close up shop. I keep all my minifigures, like I said, in the actual set so I don't lose them, or there's no chance of me losing, I guess, but so at least I can keep track of which minifigures go with each set when I have a ton of sets. It's nice to know which goes with which. One more door there. Just putting all the stormtroopers in there. So pretty neat build. Is it 478 pieces? Definitely below that. Like everybody always likes to talk about the 10 cents per piece. So this set is priced at $39.99 on the LEGO website, as well as Amazon. Again, I'll have an affiliate link if you guys are interested in purchasing this set. Definitely a really neat set. Front door comes down here again as well. So really neat, and you know, definitely a bargain at $39.99. Highly recommended. So now we'll move on to the minifigures. There's one little piece here. So with the artillery stormtrooper, he's supposed to just kind of stand with this as his, you know, his gun or whatever. So there's two standard stormtroopers in this set here, just your basic stormtroopers, and then a Grief Karga. Pretty sure that he's not in a ton of sets right now, so this is definitely a figure I'm gonna have. In my personal opinion, this artillery stormtrooper is definitely gonna be the chase figure for this set. Really cool figure here with the yellow on it. There's no other figures like this at this time. He's the only artillery stormtrooper I think that has this molding. Really neat. Definitely a figure that I think, you know, a couple years from now, this set, people will be just wanting this particular figure. Get the whole front and back. It does have the little cloth here, but really nice figure. You know, can never go wrong with having 3 stormtroopers in your set here, especially when you have an exclusive, you know, figure as well. I'm definitely picking up a second one of this, kind of keep sealed in the box. So just going over it, I do think that this set is definitely worth the $39.99. I would also maybe keep an eye out for it to go on sale at you know, Target. Lego still doesn't do sales on these sets, but Target, Amazon, Walmart will definitely have a set at some point in time here, especially around Christmas. Probably get this set in like the $28 to $32-ish range, depending on what the sale will be. If it's 20% off, you know, $40. So you know, talking about what, $8 or whatever. So I think definitely you can get it closer to $30. Would definitely make it an even better price. Picking up a couple of these things, help build your army, your stormtrooper army here. Definitely with 3 of them here. So let me know what you guys think. I think this is an awesome set. Definitely think it's worth picking up even at the $40 range. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and again, if you're interested in buying this set or any other set, please feel free to use my Amazon affiliate links. Thank you guys for watching.